Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 2000 amp 1 to 12 volt rectifier, tested and checked out here by our team at Lanco. Overall dimensions 29 inches length, 35 inches width, 60 inches high. This is air-cooled tap switch, as you can see right there. Show you guys the nameplate really quick. This is wired for 480 volt, 3-phase. We'll get that going for you right now. Bring you over to the oscilloscope. It's a great running unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.